It's purple. It's pretty. I haven't seen these before here. Getting the ancient land codes, receiving, because the land is consciousness. Everything has a code. The earth is here for us, so we have to utilize the earth to the best of our advantages, not being selfish and greedy, but replenishing the earth, caring for the earth, nurturing our women and youth, giving them what they need, and to be in balance with the earth, to love and to give and receive in a balanced way with each other and with the animals. That's the mission, that's the purpose. If you feel called to be on this wave of sustainability, of betterment of humanity, natural livity, self-care, self-love, community-based healing, unity in community, homesteading, farming, all of the above, please link me. Let's get to it.